Are you ready to take on an exciting challenge and build a masterpiece? Meet the Technic 1299 Panigale V4 motorcycle building block set. This incredible kit is perfect for kids, teens, and even adults who love motorcycles and enjoy assembling technical models. Featuring high-quality building blocks, this super motorbike model replicates the iconic Panigale V4 motorcycle with stunning detail. From the aerodynamic design to the functional suspension and realistic handlebars, every aspect of this set is engineered for precision. The assembly is as fun as it is rewarding. With 1299 pieces, it's a great activity to develop problem-solving skills, patience, and creativity. Plus, the instructions are easy to follow, making it enjoyable for builders of all levels. Once completed, you'll have a striking replica of the Panigale V4 to display proudly. It's not just a toy, it's a work of art and a conversation starter. Perfect for collectors, racing enthusiasts, or as a gift for the little engineers in your life. Ready to rev up your creativity? Don't wait. Click the link in the description to grab your Technic 1299 Panigale V4 motorcycle building block set today.